know what you want in a Cartoner. You talked, we listened, and then we designed this machine, the PSA CM500 Continuous Motion Cartoner. The CM500 features everything you want in a Cartoner, and more. Built in a rock-solid steel base frame for vibration-free operation, the CM500 runs at speeds to 400 cartons per minute. Its speed, 5-inch pitch, and size range make the CM500 an ideal cartoning solution for the snack food and pharmaceutical industries. Its compact size and low profile require very little valuable floor space. Multi-axis Indramat servos control all machine operations. They provide precise timing and phasing of critical components. Low RPM drive shafts are lubed for life, and high-torque timing belts transmit power. The result? Virtually no day-to-day maintenance. Servo technology eliminates the lower drive line found in mechanical machines, so product can't fall into the heavy-duty drive and cause a problem. Instead, it drops through to the floor where it's easily swept away. Size change on the CM500 is fast and easy with lead screw cranks. No tool changeover is also available. As your partner in automated packaging, PSA can provide turnkey systems integration, as well as custom automated infeeds and discharge systems for the CM500. We'll customize the machine's article buckets to best accommodate your product. Here's a closer look at the CM500's operation. A 4-foot powered magazine feeds carton blanks to the machine. When the supply of blanks runs low, a warning light signals the operator. The machine automatically stops if blanks are not replenished. The servo-driven carton setup uses PSA's proven rotary placer technology for positive carton pick and setup. Servo control enables electronic phasing for precise adjustment, an important feature when running hard-to-handle cartons. Quiet, strong timing belt drives control the rotary cup motion. A hold-down rail positively secures cartons and keeps them under control from the time they're set up until they reach the discharge station. End flaps are tucked on the non-load side as cartons enter the load station. A common servo drive on the barrel cam loader keeps the loader assembly, infeed buckets, and funnel transfer buckets in time. Here we purposely put the machine out of sync. Notice how easily the machine automatically retimes the components and resumes operation. The CM500 keeps product under positive control as the servo-driven loader smoothly pushes it into the carton. THK high-capacity linear bearings and a hardened track provide a lighter yet stronger assembly for guiding and stabilizing the load pusher assemblies. Loader overload protection is a full-length rail on the load ramp. A fully captured load-no-load gate assembly minimizes the chance of jams often found on high-speed machines. After product loading, end flaps on the load side are plowed and tucked. Minor flaps on the load and non-load side are closed and hot melt glue is applied. Tuck-style carton closing is also available. Other optional features include open flap detect and reject, embossing coder, barcode scanning, and literature placing. Major flaps are closed and compressed. Heavy-duty belts provide positive carton compression as glue sets up. The belts then discharge cartons from the machine. The human-machine interface, HMI, is through an operator-friendly color touchscreen. It's mounted on a convenient pivoting swing arm panel. The HMI provides the operator access to areas critical to day-to-day operation. Screens include speed and glue timing, as well as password-protected screens for diagnostic and machine operations. Machine faults are listed on the main menu, along with a separate faults screen that shows the operator the fault location. To reduce screen wear, push buttons are provided for all repetitive machine functions, including start, stop, and reset. The machine's programmable logic controller is housed in one of two UL-approved machine-mounted electrical enclosures. The second machine-mounted panel contains electronics for the servos. For operator protection, the machine automatically stops if a hand enters the in-feed section. The machine also stops when one of the 4 gull wing guard doors is opened. The doors provide an unobstructed view of machine operations and afford complete unobstructed access to machine components. You talked, we listened. The result, the CM500. Everything you want in a Cartoner and more. Increase your line's productivity and profits with the CM500 Continuous Motion Cartoner. From PSA, Packaging Systems Automation, your partner in automated packaging.